Hello there, my name is Francesca and I am a piano teacher and I'm offering virtual online piano tuition to anyone in the world. Maybe you can't find a piano teacher or the right kind of piano teacher near you locally to travel to for in-person lessons, or find the time to travel to those lessons, then online lessons could be for you. You can learn in the comfort of your own home, on your own instrument, with zero commute or travel expenses. So how do online virtual piano lessons work? You must have a decent screen, like a laptop or a computer, to be able to see the image that I project so you can see my piano. You'll also need a device such as a webcam or a phone to be able to point at your instrument so I can see and hear what you are playing. So online virtual lessons can work really well, providing that the teacher and the student both have a decent, ideal technical setup. Ideally, you would need either earphones or headphones to be able to properly hear the sound that I am projecting. The program that I use to teach online lessons is actually the video chat section of Discord. So the reason why I picked Discord, actually one of my students recommended it to me and I cannot believe how well it works. First of all, it's completely free for both the teacher and the student. There's unlimited chat time, call time. I call you so I don't have to send you a link or anything like that. Hi there, how are you doing? And how has practice gone this week? There's the ability to connect multiple cameras as well if you wanted to showcase different angles, and there is the ability to exchange files, so things like sheet music or other learning materials. The sound settings on there are really good as well. You have to have a decent internet connection, maybe consider something like an Ethernet cable, and obviously you need to have a piano that is fully in tune. So whether that's an acoustic piano that needs to be tuned, ideally you need to have a printer to be able to print out any sheet music that we're working on. So what are the advantages of being one of my online piano students? So wherever you are in the world, you can have piano lessons with me. All of my students have access to all of my courses and all of my learning material that I have ever published. Your lessons will be tailored towards your needs, your learning abilities, your tastes. So if you want to learn how to read music notation, or you want to revisit doing that and start working through grades, I have a 100% student pass rate, which I am really proud of. So this is ABRSM, both classical and jazz, and rock school I teach as well. You must be able to commit to a lesson at the same time and day every week. I started teaching online as a result of the pandemic back in 2020 and 2021. So I was forced to buy a decent webcam and have a decent setup to be able to teach my in-person students online. So I still teach in person as well, obviously people who come to me who live locally, but I absolutely love teaching people from around the world. I find that so fascinating and can't sometimes believe that it is my job. I am a teacher who's incredibly passionate about music. I have a very eclectic taste in music as well, hence why there is such a diverse range of tutorials and things to learn from my YouTube channel. So whether you want to learn classical, pop, blues, a bit of jazz, music from TV and film, or even composition and definitely theory skills as well, then please get in touch with me. I might be your ideal teacher. As long as this video is up on YouTube, I'll be considering new students. So how to get in touch? All the links are in the description of this video and the pinned comment. For a bit more information, although I think I've covered most things in this video, please visit bitesizepiano.co.uk/online-tuition. So I just need some basic details from you and just a bit about your current experience and what you would be looking to gain from online piano lessons. I require that all new students, we have to set up an initial sort of meet and greet technical trial test call. So this is where we arrange a time so that I can call. We just meet for the first time and we just test that everything technically is running smoothly before our first official lesson. If you have any questions, please feel free to either leave them in the comment section of this video or email bitesizepiano@gmail.com. I really look forward to hearing from you if you are interested in lessons with me. So thank you for watching, and I hope that I hear from you soon.